Nestled amidst the majestic Rif Mountains of Morocco lies a captivating gem that enchants visitors with its unique charm and azure allure. Welcome to Chefchaouen, a mesmerizing destination that paints the town blue in more ways than one. Chefchaouen, often called the Blue Pearl, is renowned for its distinctive blue architecture. Every corner, every wall, every alleyway is adorned with shades of blue that tell tales of history, tradition, and a sense of unity. Chefchaouen's captivating blue facades are steeped in history and tradition. The practice of painting the town in various shades of blue is related to the belief that the color blue wards off evil spirits, keeps homes cool during the scorching summers, and acts as a natural repellent against insects. Moreover, the blue color is said to symbolize the sky and heaven, serving as a reminder of spirituality and a connection to the divine. Over the years, this tradition has evolved into a unifying community effort, transforming the town into a unique and mesmerizing canvas of blue that continues to draw visitors from around the world. The city's markets offer a glimpse into its artisanal heritage. They are a vibrant tapestry of colors, scents, and traditions that reflect the heart of Moroccan culture. Meandering through these bustling markets is a sensory journey that immerses visitors in the town's rich artisanal heritage. Intricately woven textiles, exquisite pottery, and handcrafted jewelry line the stalls, showcasing the skilled work of local artisans. The air is alive with the aroma of aromatic spices, inviting visitors to discover the essence of Moroccan cuisine, which includes fusion of flavors, invites visitors to savor tagines, couscous, and mint tea. Amidst the lively atmosphere, the markets also provide a unique window into the daily lives of the local community, fostering connections between travelers and residents through the shared appreciation of craftsmanship and the joy of discovery. Nestled within the embrace of the Rif Mountains, Chefchaouen's natural beauty is a harmonious blend of tranquility and rugged allure. The town's surroundings offer a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with hiking trails that wind through verdant landscapes, leading to hidden waterfalls and breathtaking viewpoints. The mountains, cloaked in shades of green, provide a serene backdrop that contrasts beautifully with the town's iconic blue architecture. As the sun paints the landscapes in golden hues, the mountains and valleys come alive with a sense of serenity, inviting visitors to explore, unwind, and connect with nature in its purest form. The true essence of Chefchaouen lies in the hospitality of its people. The warm smiles, genuine conversations, and shared meals bridge the gap between cultures and create bonds that transcend time. With their welcoming demeanor and willingness to share stories, they create an atmosphere of unity that transcends cultural boundaries. Engaging with the locals offers a glimpse into their daily lives, their traditions, and their close-knit community. Whether sharing a cup of traditional mint tea, partaking in a local festival, or simply engaging in heartfelt conversations, the lovely people of Chefchaouen form a visit into an unforgettable journey of cultural exchange and human connection. Beyond its visual splendor, Chefchaouen offers a spiritual haven for those seeking tranquility. Mosques adorned with intricate designs invite prayer and contemplation, while the serene landscapes provide a peaceful backdrop for introspection. Travelers often find solace in the town's serene ambience, using its natural beauty as a canvas for meditation and relaxation. Whether it's sitting by a waterfall or having a peaceful time on a mountaintop, Chefchaouen nurtures the soul. Of course, no exploration is truly complete without savoring the local cuisine. Chefchaouen offers a culinary experience that's as diverse as it is delicious. The town's gastronomic landscape showcases a delightful fusion of Moroccan and Andalusian influences, resulting in a harmonious blend of flavors that leave a lasting impression on every palate. From aromatic tagines infused with fragrant spices like saffron, cumin, and cinnamon to succulent grilled meats, and delicate pastries dripping with honey and adorned with almonds. Chefchaouen's cuisine is a true celebration of local ingredients and traditional techniques. Whether savoring a steaming bowl of hearty harira soup or relishing the intricate layers of a pastilla, every dish reflects the town's vibrant culture and artistic spirit. Amidst the azure surroundings, Chefchaouen's culinary delights provide a sumptuous journey that indulges both the appetite and the senses, making every meal a memorable exploration of Moroccan flavors. As part of our commitment to bringing you the best in budget-friendly travel experiences, we're excited to delve into the cost considerations of visiting this amazing blue city. Chefchaouen offers travelers an experience that is not only visually stunning, but also remarkably budget-friendly. Accommodation options range from cozy guest houses to boutique hotels, catering to various budgets without compromising on comfort. Exploring the town's charming alleys, markets, and historical sites often requires minimal or no entrance fees, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in its beauty without breaking the bank. Dining in Chefchaouen can be both a culinary adventure and a budget-conscious choice, as local eateries offer delectable Moroccan dishes at reasonable prices. Additionally, the town's relaxed pace invites travelers to relish cost-free activities like leisurely strolls, photography sessions, and interactions with locals, providing an affordable yet enriching experience in this Moroccan gem. Chefchaouen offers a variety of must-visit places that showcase the town's unique beauty and culture. Here are some top places to explore. 1. Medina. The heart of Chefchaouen lies in its historic Medina, where narrow alleys and vibrant blue walls create a picturesque labyrinth. Exploring the Medina's nooks and crannies is an experience in itself. 2. Ras El Ma. This serene oasis on the outskirts of the town is known for its refreshing natural springs and waterfalls. It's a great spot to relax, have a picnic, and take in the natural beauty. 3. Casbah Museum. Housed within a 15th century fortress, the museum offers insight into the local culture and history. It's a great place to learn about the region's past and traditions. 4. Oda El Hammam Square. This bustling square is a hub of activity featuring cafes, shops, and a lively atmosphere. It's a perfect spot for people watching and immersing yourself in the local vibe. 5. Spanish Mosque. A short hike up the hill will lead you to this mosque, which offers panoramic views of the town and the surrounding landscapes. Sunset is an ideal time to visit breathtaking vistas. 6. Talismataine National Park. Within a convenient 45-minute drive from Chefchaouen, you'll find the captivating Talismataine National Park, a treasure trove of natural marvels awaiting exploration. Opt for a guided hiking experience to truly immerse yourself in the park's unforgettable landscapes. 7. Grand Mosque. This central mosque is a symbol of the town's spiritual life. While non-Muslims can't enter, its exterior is still worth admiring for its architecture. 8. Hiking trails. The surrounding Rif Mountains offer numerous hiking trails for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether it's a short hike to viewpoints or a more challenging trek, the landscapes are breathtaking. So if you're yearning for a travel experience that's a little different, a little magical, and a whole lot of blue, Chefchaouen is the city for you. It's not just a place to visit, but a place to feel, to experience, and to remember. Thank you for joining me on this journey to the Blue Pearl of Morocco. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring